go.
Hi, my name is Lauren O'Brien, and this is my model of Trunks' time machine from Dragon Ball Z. I was inspired to create this model because Dragon Ball Z is my favorite show, and Trunks is one of the best characters. This project took around 30 hours to complete and required a lot of careful reference geometry. The model is made up of 8 unique parts and takes advantage of circular patterns. The propellers can spin because they are on a ring held in place by the pieces above and below it. The hinge was a challenge, but I was able to get it working and align perfectly. I also designed the cockpit inside. It has a seat, buttons, levers, and a computer screen. I ran a landing simulation by applying 150 pounds of upward force to the bottom of the leg. The greatest stress was just below the attachment point, while the greatest displacement occurs at the point the force is applied. My greatest challenge was properly positioning the legs and jets. Here are the reference planes I used to do it. Thanks for listening. Bye!